guys, today that's supposed to be in English. Sorry, because I bring the bule.
Okay.
So, hi guys, we want to go. Actually, want to go to the small waterfall in my village. It is in Senoni. So this is your first, right?
Yeah,
I hope you're really excited with this.
Yeah, super excited for it. Yep,
Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah. Just looking, follow our trip, right?
Yeah, I'm just following.
Okay, let's go.
With the flow.
Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share. Okay?
And hit the notification bell. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Hi guys, finally, maybe you better to explain how we just arrived here, right?
No, you can explain.
We just arrived because I'm not really comfortable to speak in English.
No, you gotta try. You gotta learn. Practice.
Practice, okay. We just arrived here and then we want to go to more deep and this.
Yep.
This is not really like a waterfall. Yeah.
Right. No, go ahead.
Go ahead. actually, I want to swim, but we will see. This is good or not. I don't know it. So just
we'll see.
We'll see
what happens.
Okay.
Alright.
See you. Just follow us.
Peace.
Okay. Peace.
Kolamnya ada galen undian.
Tapi baik kilo 5. Wah. And few years ago the water is so clean. Right? It's not. Co, apa ya merota nih, Co?
Hah?
Kenapa ya merota?
Kiriman dari atas.
Oh,
Ya karena penanaman pohon. Dia bilang Rusia. Makanya tuh batu-batu banyak dulu kan ada kan?
ya. Malah coba mumpung ada bule. Santai, Co.
Oh, airnya pun dari sini tuh. Ini mengalirkan air.
Hi.